Hi guys. Okay, now I'm going to explain what is the system that I'm creating. Basically, I am practicing to one interview that I will have soon with Amazon. So I am practicing design system because it is my weak skill now. So the system that you are seeing now is one system for one chat. Basically, as you can see here in the name, Facebook Messenger design, where basically it is the design, it is the functional requirements and non-functional requirements. In functional requirements, that this is the functional requirements that I have, that is write messages, write messages, receive messages, upload media when in one message, upload different photos, videos, images, notify new message when we receive notifications in the system or in our chat. Show if it is online the user, of course, really important to see what users are online. List all active users, of course, basically it is list all the chat, and real time behavior. Okay, real time behavior in the field, in the input of chat. Basically, when we open one chat, we can see if our friend is reading in that moment. So this is all the functional requirements that I have, and for another side I have the non-functional requirements. The non-functional requirements that are performance, of course, because it is one chat for Facebook. So I will manage millions of messages that will be written in the same moment. Also, I need one high availability. Okay. Sorry guys, but now I need to open my translator, because basically I am not so good with English. So some words I will be translating here and listening how really pronounce that word. So I have problems with availability. Availability.
Availability.
Availability.
Availability.
Availability.
Availability.
Availability. Okay, availability, security. Because what reason I am practicing? Because I am from Peru. But the interview is with Amazon. So I need to practice more English also. Also, okay, considering both functional and non-functional requirements, I will start to designing it. So I only realized one design for it, that is get chat, all chat, write message. First I'm going to it in order. Here I have write message functionality, notify new message, and get chat of the friends. So far I have the next. When I write message, one thing that I consider here is that I decrypt message, because basically many chats can have really sensitive information, as credit card information, tokens, links, really delicate, really sensible information. For a reason, I was thinking that the information that sent the front sent one web application when that sent one web application or mobile application mobile. Okay, I have problems also with mobile or one mobile application will send data encrypt. So if I will receive that information encrypt, I will have one service to decrypt all those messages. After that, I achieve to decrypt those messages. I will upload it in one blob storage, as can be one S3 if we send in AWS, or if you has worked with AWS. Also, I will save this in one relational database. I choose this relational database because I really don't remember what reason I chose one relational database. I am trying to remember it, and I only remember that okay, maybe I only remember that it will have one relation with the user. I believe that I am remembering that is the reason because I choose this database engine, chat message. Yeah, it also could be used one non-relational database. In this case, I was thinking, what is the advantage to use one relational database over one non-relational database? And for one chat, I believe that the consistency is really important. The relationship is really important. I believe that it is really important, the relationship with the user. Yeah, I believe that the main advantage of it is the relation with the user. Yeah, because the rest of data, specifically in the chat, is mainly flat information: chat user ID, chat message ID, chat message ID, message type, media URL, created ad, updated ad. Yeah, that is the main advantage that I see. That normally when we choose one relational database, we choose normally because we need one strong constraints in database, and many relational database has that capability, and one non-relational database normally don't have that feature. As MongoDB, I use a lot MongoDB. If you want really powerful constraints, those powerful constraints will be realized in the application, not in the database. Only considering only my current knowledge, because basically can have more features implement on non-relational database, but basically relational database is chosen because we want strong constraints. if we want those strong constraints, is because we want accuracy, data accuracy, or accuracy of data. Okay, and now I'm going to check how to pronounce that. So I'm going to return it. Information accuracy. Okay, data accuracy, or information accuracy. For a reason we choose that. Also, that another advantage, I listened, I really don't know, but I listened that one relational database also has one advantage about to realize performance queries. Okay, I don't know it. In fact, now we research, we will search if that is true. So now I'm going to go to Claude. Also, I don't know how to pronounce it. In fact, Claude is different. No, Claude. Okay, Claude. I'm going to Claude, and I will ask this to SQL not relational database queries has better performance than non-relational database. Okay, now I'm going to ask it to Claude. This is actually a common misconception. Neither type is universally better for performance. Okay, I don't understand neither type. For performance, it depends entirely of your use case. When relational database perform better, complex joins and relationships. If you need to combine data from multiple tables with ACID guarantees, if you need to combine data from multiple tables with ACID guarantees with ACID guarantees, and this
acid
guarantees, relational database are optimized for this. Okay, that is one really important point here. That is basically ACID guarantees aggregations and analytics, aggregations and analytics. SQL databases excel at group by Zoom, AVG operations across structured data, aggregations and analytics. SQL databases excel at group by Zoom, average operations across structured data. Strong consistency requirements. When you need immediate consistency across all reads, okay, I am seeing that there are more deep advantage using relational database, complex transactions, multiple operations that must succeed or fail together. Okay, that can be one advantage. Also, I believe that I saw transactions with MongoDB, multiple operations that must succeed or fail together. Strong consistency requirements. When non-relational database perform better. Database perform better. High volume writes. NoSQL database can often handle massive write throughput. NoSQL database can often handle massive write better through horizontal scaling. Okay, only in horizontal scaling. Simple key lookups, fetching a document by ID typically faster than SQL queries. Simple key value lookups. Okay, I iterated to
Lookups.
Fetching a document by ID is typically faster than SQL queries. Unstructured and unstructured. Unstructured or semi-structured data, non-schema overhead or join needs. Massive scale. Many NoSQL databases are designed to scale horizontally across thousands of nodes more easily. Flexibility. No need to alter tables or migrate schemas. The real answer: performance depends on your data model. Are relationships central, or is data mostly independent? Access pattern mostly reads, mostly writes, complex writes, or simple lookups. Okay, guys. The truth is that I was focusing in pronounce these words and not mainly in explain what is the advantage of one non-relational database over one relational database. I am tired. I tired, in fact, to move a lot my mouth. So I will return tomorrow to continue speaking it. I will have to upload this video soon. I will continue explaining this system design that I realized on system designs. One was for TikTok and this is for Facebook. But I will return tomorrow to continue speaking about Facebook, because basically I couldn't to complete all the functional requirements. So I will realize another video doing or speaking about it. This is all for now, guys.